Hey everybody, here we have some carrier units. Down there we have some carrier Purons, and right here the carrier TECH2000. And some lever cooling components, but I only want to get to the carriers. See if we get to these trees. I don't know what this is. We have a carrier. That fan is running awfully slow, some heat coming out, so it is in cool mode. Listen to that nice compressor. One of these lever units. That actually feels kind of nice because it's in the 50s outside, like 55. Feels pretty nice because it's warm air coming out. As I was about to walk away, this lever just kicked on. Alright, moving on. Another lever, just some more hot air. Another lever, some carrier units right here on the end, some carrier Puron units. When I was over here a little while ago, one of these was actually running. Actually, these are in pretty clean condition. And another one just kicked on. The data. A taller one. This one has a new blade and a new motor too. Shut off. It's a skinnier one. The data. For these, as I was taking pictures, this one just started up. Alright. As I was walking down, I noticed that the TECH2000 shut off. So here's a look at it off.